How do I change the language on my Hulu account to Spanish?
Hola, everyone! Today, we're going to walk you through how to change the language settings on your Hulu account to Spanish. This feature can be especially useful if Spanish is your first language, or if you're looking to practice your Spanish listening skills. So, let's get started.
Accessing your Hulu account.
Step 1. Start by opening Hulu on your preferred device. This could be your computer, mobile device, or smart TV. If you're not already signed in, enter your Hulu login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account profile icon, usually found on the top right corner of the Hulu homepage. Click on it to access the account settings.
Navigating to account settings.
Step 3. On the account settings page, you will see various options related to your account. Here, you should look for Preferences or Language Settings. The wording may vary slightly depending on your device. Step 4. Once you have located this option, click on it to access the language settings.
Changing language to Spanish.
Step 5. You'll now see a list of available languages. Find Spanish in this list. Once you've found it, click on it to set it as your preferred language. Step 6. Finally, confirm your language setting change. There may be a Save or Confirm button to click, so make sure you do that to save the changes you have made. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed the language settings on your Hulu account to Spanish. Remember, you can always revert back to your original language setting following the same steps. We hope this guide has been helpful. Hasta la vista!